Wildfires have become a year-round reality in the western United States, threatening ecosystems and communities alike. As climate change intensifies, fire risks escalate in hotter and drier conditions, making fire science more crucial than ever. In this video, we'll delve into the critical role fire science plays in managing and understanding wildfires, from their ecological benefits to the innovative strategies employed by organizations like the USGS. Join us as we explore the complex interaction between wildfires and our environment, and learn how effective fire management can protect our vital water supplies and cultural assets. 1. A year-round reality of fires. Wildfires are no longer a seasonal phenomenon. They've become a year-round reality across much of the United States. This shift isn't about wondering if more fires will occur but understanding how to prepare and manage them effectively. Factors like climate change, human activity, and natural cycles all influence the timing, location, and intensity of these fires. Science plays a crucial role in answering these questions, providing insights that can save lives, protect property, and preserve ecosystems. Understanding the consequences of fires on both human populations and natural habitats is essential for crafting strategies to mitigate their impact. 2. A hotter, drier United States. The United States is becoming hotter and drier, conditions that are ripe for wildfires. Paul Stebline, a USGS fire science coordinator, points out that human activities like accidental or intentional fires, coupled with climate changes such as warmer temperatures and dry spells, have lengthened wildfire seasons. These conditions are likely to worsen, leading to more frequent and severe wildfires. Despite the dire outlook, Stebline is optimistic. He believes that with the help of fire science, we can better manage future wildfires. Researchers are actively working to equip firefighters and land managers with the knowledge and tools to mitigate these risks. 3. The role of fire science. Fire science is the backbone of the training and tools used by firefighters today. It helps us understand complex situations that communities and land managers face, offering ways to address rising wildfire risks. According to Stebline, USGS is uniquely positioned to blend academic research with federal emergency response efforts. This enables them to deliver cutting-edge fire science quickly, aiding firefighters and crisis managers in real-world scenarios. The science not only helps in immediate firefighting efforts but also in long-term land management strategies that aim to reduce wildfire risks. 4. Wildfires as an ecosystem process. Wildfires are a natural part of many ecosystems, playing a significant role in their health and regeneration. In some coniferous forests, frequent low-intensity fires help reduce hazardous fuels and rejuvenate the forest. Similarly, high-intensity fires in California's chaparral shrublands have shaped the evolution of local plant life. However, in desert habitats, fires are rare and more destructive. The presence of non-native, invasive plants exacerbates the problem, leading to more frequent and intense fires that harm native species. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for restoring natural fire cycles that benefit both human communities and biodiversity. 5. USGS and fire management strategies. USGS studies on fire patterns and histories are critical for developing effective fire management strategies. They provide data that help safeguard human lives and property while preserving diverse land types. Stebline emphasizes the importance of timely and accurate data in mitigating wildfire effects. USGS researchers collaborate with other experts to address complex issues like impaired water and air quality and debris flow risks. Their work supports management agencies and policymakers in making informed decisions about fire risks and mitigation strategies. Tools like the LANDFIRE dataset are invaluable in identifying high-risk areas and taking preventive measures. 6. Monitoring burn severity trends. The Monitoring Trends in Burn Severity (MTBS) program maps burn severity and fire extent across the U.S., providing invaluable data for policymakers and managers. This information has already saved lives by enabling scientists to forecast post-wildfire risks like flooding and mudslides. MTBS data are used by various federal and tribal land management units and academic research entities. The program leverages national resources like the Landsat satellite program, ensuring consistent data products dating back to 1984. This long-term data is crucial for understanding burn severity trends and their implications for land management. 7. Impact on water supplies and ecosystems. Wildfires not only threaten life and property but also impact water quality, turning clear mountain waters brown with sediment. These effects can persist for years, requiring costly restoration efforts. In 2017, researchers modeled how increased wildfire activity might affect future water supplies in the West. The projections revealed that wildfires could double soil erosion in a quarter of Western watersheds by 2050. The findings underscore the need for proactive measures to protect water resources. Similarly, evolving wildfire patterns are a concern for ecosystems like the sagebrush steppe, home to the at-risk greater sage grouse. 8. Wildfires and climate change. In regions like Alaska, wildfires threaten to accelerate permafrost degradation, especially when combined with warming temperatures. Researchers found that fire could significantly impact black spruce forests, which have a thinner protective soil layer. In California, atmospheric rivers, bands of high moisture, can influence wildfire patterns by increasing vegetation growth, which later serves as fire fuel. Understanding these interconnected factors is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate climate change impacts. Research into prescribed fires shows promise in making forests more resilient to drought and other climate-related stresses. 9. Protecting ecological and cultural assets. Wildfires pose a significant threat to both ecological and cultural assets. In California, USGS ecologists study invasive grasses that increase wildfire risks to homes and infrastructure. Their findings support science-based decisions to protect communities during fire seasons. In Florida, prescribed burns are used to clear plant detritus, creating suitable breeding conditions for the federally protected frosted flatwoods salamander. These efforts highlight the importance of fire science in conserving biodiversity and cultural heritage. The goal is to use fire as a tool, not just a threat, in managing and preserving valuable ecosystems.